Cursor.com. Everybody is talking about this right now in the SEO space and also in the web development world. Basically, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use Cursor.com to enhance your SEO. I've also got a list to a load of calculators that I will be showcasing to you guys how to actually use it in conjunction with Cursor.com to generate a load of backlinks. Now, basically what Cursor.com is, it is an IDE. So if any of you guys don't know much about the development world, basically what an IDE looks like is this. So this is actually Cursor. Now, when we are looking at like a pretty website, the code is actually coded in one of those text editors. Another way of actually calling it is an actual text editor. But basically what this does is it will actually do a lot of the code for you. So you can give it a prompt and it can either look at your code from your website and suggest any changes. Like for example, if there's a bug or a glitch in that code, it can say to you like line 2381, you're missing a comma. And I know a lot of web developers are using it for that. But we can actually get it to generate us some calculators to actually build out some pretty sick web pages on our website, which will generate us a lot of backlinks, right? So this is what the actual demo video looks like. It's just cursor.com. If any of you guys are interested, head over, click the download. It's completely free. There is a paid version, but if you're just going to be using certain LLMs like Claude 3.5 Sonnet, you can definitely use it for free, right? But let's go through what I'm actually going to be showing you guys. So I've created this sheet. If you guys don't have access to it, the link is down in the description. Once you get the actual link, make certain to click on File and then make a copy for yourself. Now, what I've actually done is I've created category, calculator type, and also prompts to use. And this is what we're trying to go after, right? So web hosting calculator, super hard keyword, 77 on Ahrefs. But if we actually take a look at the page that is ranking, as you can see, it does have a load of backlinks pointing through to the page. Same goes with mortgage calculator. Now, mortgage calculator, ultra competitive keyword, but if you actually take a look here, you will see 41,000 backlinks generated. Now, hey, very quickly, if you want results like this dental practice, for example, we took the website from 0 monthly visits in November, and they are now getting over 750 monthly visits through to their website. They're actually able to generate their own inquiries for the business, and they aren't relying on third-party agencies to generate them leads like they were before, or this law firm that we were able to take from 1,100 to just over 2,000 monthly visits through to their website, as you can see from the graph, or this e-commerce store where we were able to grow them from 7,500 to just over 30,000 monthly visits to their website, and it's generating a lot of sales through to their e-com store. If you want results like that, make certain to check out cursor-.com. The link is in the description. Fill out the form, see if my team can help. If I feel like SEO isn't suitable for your business, I can also guide you on where you should be spending your marketing budget. But back to the video. These are some like goals to aim for in, let's say, 12 or 24 months time, right? Some of these websites, they are very, very old, hence why they've got a load of backlinks, but the actual page itself is actually very, very useful. So a lot of people would actually link to this mortgage calculator. Now, what I've done here is I've created this sheet, and in some cases, some of the keywords or some of the calculator types, they are a little bit more difficult. But if you actually take a look, for example, if we go after something like, let's go after SaaS subscription cost calculator, right? Something like that, it's going to be a lot less searches for it, but the keyword difficulty is going to be a lot less as well. You've obviously got also IT downtime cost calculator, so you're actually calculating somebody's cost for their actual downtime being down, or sorry, their technology being down. You've got battery life calculator, screen resolution DPI calculator, and I've also included all the prompts as well. So, for example, if we actually just grab, let's say, let's do HVAC sizing calculator, right? So I know some of you guys that do watch my videos, some of you guys are in the HVAC space. This is what it looks like, right? So on the right hand side, we've got like a little chat here. You just paste in that prompt. You can get rid of the actual speech marks. You can also give it an additional prompt as well. So can you make this mobile friendly also? Hit enter, and this will start generating us the actual HTML and CSS to embed onto our website. Also, one thing to bear in mind as well is if this code comes back with like doc type HTML, I know some of you guys aren't too savvy and stuff, right? If it's including some of this stuff, all you just need to do, which I will have in the actual sheet, is can you not include the body? I just want to embed this on a inner page, and this will just spit out like a regular actual div. So then what we're just going to do is copy this, and we're going to head over to my dummy web page, right? So this is just like a base standard website, nothing really special about this website. If you just do /HTML, what we're wanting is a HTML box. And then we've also got some styling as well. So here's the CSS, and also here's the JavaScript, right? So we're just going to click on copy here, and then just paste that down here. And again, going back to the JavaScript, we're just going to copy that, and then also paste that in there. We're then going to press save. Then if we click on view page, you'll obviously see HVAC sizing calculator, right? So for example, we can do square footage. Let's do 20 square foot, and the climate zone as well. And we'll do 200 square foot. I don't use square footage, just so you guys know. So that's probably why I put in 200. But as you can see, square footage, climate zone, we'll do climate zone 1. We might need less, we might need more. So as you can see, that's how it basically works. Now, going back to the sheet, we can do this for as many different prompts. So for example, let's choose one. There's also, by the way, there's 500 plus different calculators. In some cases, if I've not covered your industry, just take a look and see what there is here, and there will definitely be an idea that you can definitely think of, right? So if we do landscaping, lawn mowing cost calculator, I'm just going to copy that, head over back to Cursor, and then we're just going to do a new chat, paste that in, and again, I'm just going to say, can you make it mobile friendly and easy to embed on my WordPress website? I'm going to assume that a lot of you guys do use a WordPress website. And then, as you can see here, it has included the HTML and head, but we'll tweak that in just a second, right? So it's obviously finished generating. Then I'm going to just say, can you remove the head and body so I can easily embed it on my inner page? So that's just going to do its thing, and then we're going to be off to the races then. What I'm also going to do as well is I'm just going to create a new post just so you guys see how easy it is, and I'm just going to click on copy, and I think this was lawn care calc, right? And then I'm just going to do /HTML, and then just click on publish. Obviously, if you guys use different WordPress themes, like let's say for example, if you guys use Elementor, let's say, you just need to put in a custom HTML block. But that's all this is. This is just like this is Gutenberg for anybody that doesn't know. So you've obviously got different block types in Elementor. All I'm using here is the custom HTML. But you've got like tables, image, heading, gallery, etc., etc. But that's just a custom HTML. I'm fairly certain that all themes have that. And if you're also using the classic editor, you just need to click on, instead of going to the visual, you just click on the actual code version. So this is the lawn mowing cost calculator. So we're going to do like 50 or 5,000 square foot mowing frequency. So we're going to do bi-weekly, and then you've got the estimated costings per mow. One thing to bear in mind as well is if you're doing any form of these calculators, like this is actually giving us a price, you might want to just adjust the price based off of your actual pricing model. So like for example, if I was going to say, if let's say for example that was too cheap, right, as a lawn mowing expert, I might say, can you increase all the prices in the formula by, let's say, 50%, right? So this is just going to go and do its thing, and it's going to align with your actual business's pricing model. So if, say for example, you are really expensive and you're trying to weed out a lot of the actual tire kickers and time wasters, you can obviously align that, right? So I'm just going to duplicate this page here. I'm not going to close this down, so I'm going to show you guys that it does actually work. So I've just put in that. So we're going to do, so this was 5,000 bi-weekly. We're going to do 5,000 again, and we're going to do bi-weekly. And as you can see, $40.50, and this was $27. So as you can see, it actually has increased the actual pricing. So you can actually be way more specific with your actual pricing. So let's say, for example, if people wanted weekly, you could actually provide like a lot cheaper rates. But that's, again, completely down to how you are pricing your actual business and stuff. But like what I said, the actual link to all of the calculators is in the description. Once you do get it, make certain to click on File and then make a copy for yourself. And as always, if you guys did enjoy this video, please remember to leave a like. And if you want a free growth strategy call for your website, make certain to check the link down below or head over to casualdash.com. Thanks.